Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my fidgets. So first one, got this squishy I love. Second one, this one I've been popping it a lot, so trust me. I'll just hit it a bunch. And sorry if you see the fidgets I already made a video with. I'm just hitting it a lot. Like, I know I'm supposed to do this, but I just hit it. Ow, that just hit my thing. Blah. I have to hurry up with this video because I don't have a lot of time. Because my timer thing is only 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So here's my monkey noodle. Pop it. Big pop it. No guys, it's like, okay, let me stand up. I have to literally stand up for you guys to see it. You ready? There. That's how big it is. It's pretty big, guys. Okay, and now, wait, did I show you something yet? I have another one of those small poppets. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you tomorrow. Bye.